boys and girls. This is the online math instruction for Monday, January 4th. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. I hope you had a great break. We have a fun target this week. We're going to be talking a little, or today, we're going to be talking a little bit about modeling our thinking, okay? So I can model, our target is I can model addition and subtraction problems. And I can show my thinking in a couple of ways. One way I can show it is by using a math mountain. And a math mountain is always very helpful for me showing how I'm thinking, how things fit together. But we're going to be using this model. We're going to be using, and I'm going to erase this part so I can make it a little easier. Blank, circle, blank equals blank, okay? Blank, circle, blank equals blank. This circle, and in this circle, we need to decide, are we going to add or subtract? What do we need to put in there, the addition symbol or the subtraction symbol? So as I'm looking at word problems, I need to think, am I bringing things together? Okay, if I'm bringing them together, I'm going to add. If I'm getting rid of something or taking it away from something, then I'm going to subtract, okay? So let's say that we had in our classroom, somebody brought in 8 cupcakes, okay? I'm going to put 8 here. We had 8 cupcakes, and then somebody else brought in 3 more cupcakes. Am I bringing things in or am I getting rid of things? I'm bringing them in, aren't I? 8. And then I had 3 more that came, so I'm going to put the addition symbol right there, okay? 8 plus 3. 8 is bigger. 9, 10, 11. 11 is the sum, okay? I can do another one. Let's do a subtraction one now, okay? Let's say that we had 8 cupcakes in our classroom, and we had some kids come in, and we gave them 4 of the cupcakes to take away. So am I bringing more cupcakes in or am I giving some away? I'm giving them away, so I'm going to put subtraction. 8 subtract 4. 8 take away 4. 8 minus 4, whatever that is, it's going away. So we're thinking about that. That is 4. That is the difference. So modeling, today we are going to use this type of model. Blank, circle, blank equals blank. Okay, and you can use the math mountains. You can use those any way you want, but that's what we're going to be doing. Let's talk about our assignment today. Excuse me, first of all. We're representing unknown problems and objects and drawings. So we're just thinking about our total is modeling addition and subtraction problem. Here is your problem you're going to think about. You need to read it. Okay, and you are good readers. You need to read it to decide whether you're going to do blank plus blank equals blank or blank subtract blank equals blank. Let's read this first one together. Ellen has 8 shells. Danielle gives her 5 more shells. How many shells does Ellen have now? She had 8, so I would write down 8 here. And then Danielle gave her 5 more. So are we bringing them in or are we getting rid of them? Okay. If we're bringing them in, we need to do an addition problem. If we're getting rid of them, we need to do a subtraction problem. Pretty cinchy and pretty easy, okay? So you're going to do 2, 3, 4. You're just solving this problem. On the back side, we have our test prep always has us bubble in the correct answers because all your life you're going to be doing some testing that has you bubble things in. And so they're helping you to learn that right now, which is kind of cool. You need to read it. Here is a blank circle, blank equals blank. You're going to decide whether you're bringing things together or getting rid of things, okay? And then down here, you're going to add. Same thing here. Add, and then you're going to flip-flop the add-ins, put them in a different order in each one of those. That is a pretty easy paper. But it is a paper where you are going to have to be thinking, okay? You have to be thinking. That's what's cool about math is you use your brain to think quite a bit there. Today, you are also required to go on iReady Math. Now, we are doing an assessment in my class. If you're in a different class, you may have already done your assessment. But in my class, you're going to get on iReady Math, and you're going to continue to work on that assessment. There will be easy things, simple things, and there will be some difficult things as well. And when there are difficult things, they just want to know, do you already know this? If you don't know it, it's okay. You need to think about it. But if you don't know it, it's okay. Do the best you can. Make a good guess. If you don't know it yet, they will put that in your queue to teach you. So don't feel bad about that and don't stress over it. Do the very best that you can and then move on, okay? Down below in science, I want you to click on the Mystery Science video, and they are addressing this question. How do polar animals survive in the cold? That's a good question. It is cold right now. So find out, learn from that, and then share that with somebody else. Okay? I'm so glad that you're here. I am happy to see you, and welcome back, and I will see you tomorrow.